सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तं वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Welcome you all with my love and respects. It would be very helpful to chant each Shiva Sutra in Sanskrit before discussion. Also, please recommend a textbook on Shiva Sutras with original sutras in Sanskrit, translation and commentary in English. I think I already prescribed. Lakshman Ju's translation and transliteration is available. Even the transliteration is done, and translation and commentary. I can say that book is one of the authentic, wonderful book. Surely I will chant from tomorrow the original Sanskrit sutra also, along with the translation. Before become enlightened, do we have to be vegetarian? Please advise. Only before become enlightened you need, not after that. The idea of vegetarianism or non-vegetarian, both disappears. It is supposed to be the spiritual practice. I felt bad to kill the insects like mouse, ants in our house. I choose to believe that I give them a chance to reincarnate a better life instead of believing that will create karma. Be very clear. Do not hide yourself with these words. Hiding yourself with these words is surely not going to change or help. Either have that courage to live with them, or be very clear, you are killing them. Don't try to have your way, your own way, and trying to create more words or trying to create your own interpretation. Can an enlightened person do? Sorry, I am not able to read this. Maybe this questioner can repeat the question now. There are two words I am not able to read. No, he cannot do. Anything comes out of him is a life. Anything comes out of him is auspiciousness. Mangalatva, Shivatva. Anything happens inside and outside, an enlightened being will naturally only be a auspicious thing, auspicious energy. So there cannot be any adharma, any evil. There is a beautiful story in Zen tradition. One Zen master, he was bringing up a small boy to be a successor from the young age. That guy had a very deep, loving connection with the master, but very naughty guy. He will try to do the same kind of acts. He will try to imitate and make fun of master standing behind him. Master had a habit of always showing the thumb. Whenever he wants to emphasize a particular point, he will show the thumb. This guy also will stand behind him and do the same thing. Do the same to make fun of the master. One day, the master got so annoyed or angry, he just took his knife. Zen masters used to always carry sword. Just took the knife and cut the finger. Understand, the story says very beautifully, the trust and feeling connection is so deep, the disciple, the boy did not even think once for a moment that something wrong is done to him. He felt very clearly, if he does it, it must be good for me. That deep trust, even during intense pain, just the unclutching has happened. Understand? When you have the trust happens only when you are aware. If the awareness happens during the intense pain, you will see suddenly your body and mind are unclutched. The unclutching happens. The story says he became enlightened at that moment. Later on, the monks took him to the hospital or whatever first aid they want to do. They did all the medical help. One disciple asked him, "Yes, master, we know he became enlightened, that is true. But he lost a finger. Is it not too much? He had to go through that pain." Then the master says beautifully, people lose lives after lives for enlightenment. One finger is okay, good bargain. Understand, even if the so-called bad things comes out of the enlightened beings, it will never be a bad. It will always be auspicious. It will always be mangala. And even if it looks very auspicious and mangala, if it comes out of the inner space which is filled with anger, fear and desire, you will see the end result will always be fear, anger, desire, greed. Based on your inner space only, the result of your action will be decided. This moment, what you carry, only that can give birth to the next moment. Your inner space, that decides what is going to be the result of your action, not your action itself. Many times, the inner space plays the major role in the end result. What does it mean to be enlightened? Does an enlightened person have fears, pain, suffering? Two things. First thing, not only enlightened masters do not have fears, pain and suffering, whatever you understand as the movement does not happen in them as you understand. Maybe this example will be able to help you, guide you. If you have 10-acre space, 10-acre land as your mind, all the 10 acre is filled with thoughts, anger, desire, fear and irritation, everything. With enlightened being, it's like he has got 10 million acre inner space. And in one corner, 10 acre, he has allowed out of his voluntary acceptance, maybe a thread of mind or a thread of thoughts, words to exist so that he can relate to you in the same language. That is why there is a beautiful example by another one Buddhist master. When you say I, the word I, when you utter the word I, you have a strong idea about it. But when you say God or divine or the spiritual experience, the ultimate, you don't have an idea, strong idea about it. You have only a vague few words which you read here and there, which you heard from here and there. Just few words you are carrying, not more than that. Just few words which you heard or read. But for a living master, enlightened person, the divine carries a strong meaning. The word divine carries a very strong meaning and experience. Just like for you, how the word I carries a strong experience and meaning. For the masters, divine, God or superconsciousness, all these words carry a very strong meaning and experience. But when I utter the word I, it just comes from the throat. There is no deep meaning behind it. There is nobody who is standing behind that word. There is no energy support, energy added to that word. Whenever I utter the word I, It is for the sake of language. Pure emptiness from that words moving, unrolling. This is the answer for this question. Now I have answer for the questioner. I think your question, na? This question has not come from your person, your being. If it has come from your being, long before I answered this question. Just wanted you to tell that be intensely aware what you are listening, because the same subject I was dealing for last 2 days. I wanted you to be just little aware of what you are listening.